They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I am going to be doing medium waistlines goddess, like boho goddess braids, and I am using all synthetic hair. And sorry, my camera is a little blurry for like the first 1 minute, but then it was clearer after that. Basically, as you can see, my client does have a lot of hair and I love it. Like, it's a lot to deal with, but I do love seeing healthy hair, thick hair and stuff like that, and I enjoy doing them. No complaints at all. We're going to be using color was it color 4 that she wanted? I think color 2 or color 1B. I think we use color 1B. Yeah, sorry, I have like clients back to back, so I just forget what color they got, but I think we used color 1B for my client, and she wanted the medium size waist length, and she wanted the curves going off through, some towards the end and also some going all through. So what I did was that basically almost every braid had curves in them, but at some points it would be like every other braids basically, so that it's still full. And usually when my clients want something really, really full, I'll just do like the first 3 lines and ask them to see if it's okay, if they need me to go heavier on the curves, because I do want to give my clients what they want. So right now, that goddess braids is already like a messy hairstyle. It takes a lot to maintain it. So the last thing you want to do is have your client's parts looking how it's looking. So you have to make sure that your parts are really, really clean and nice. As you saw earlier, I did my rough draft line. And then I put my edge control on it, and then now I'm using my rat tail comb to go back and clean the part to make sure that it is nice, good, and set to go. I do have the link to the edge control in my description box. I also have the link to the rat tail comb and also link to the edge control as well. So for this style I used about I want to say 4 to 5 packs of the Ruwa Braiding here. Basically, one pack had about 2 bundles in it, so I used about 4 to 5. So that's in between 8 to 10 bundles basically, and I only used 1 pack of the Google curves, and I only used 1 pack of that one. So I took each curves, I would separate them into 2 or 3. It just depends on how one strand of the curves looking. If it's really thick, I'll just divide it into 3. But then if it's skinnier, if it's okay, I would just divide it into 2 and I will use it. So 1 curve can get me about 3 or 2 braids basically. So now I'm done parting, and my client has a lot of hair. Like, I'm just looking at her hair like, whoa, this is awesome. But yes, now I'm done. And now I'm going to start braiding. I never really had to dip this tie in hot water. I only use the mousse, which is to maintain the curves, make sure the curves are good to go. So now we're going to start braiding. As you can see, I already did some of it. And you're going to braid first. You can braid twice at one time. It just depends on how you do your own knotless braids. Everybody does yours differently, so don't let nobody shame you. Just try to be better. Just try to be better at what you do over time, period. So now I'm going to start inserting the braiding hair, and then at some point I am going to insert the curves, I think towards the roots. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to show you how I do it as we get there, because some of them I will insert the curves towards the roots, and some of them towards the middle, and some of them towards the end, so that we have different stuff going on and not just like one thing. Basically, as you can see right now, I'm going to insert this curves towards the roots and hang it up there, and then I'm just going to keep braiding. In that way, the curves are very tight and secure, and I could just keep braiding. And even when my clients put their fingers through the curves, it's not gonna pull anything or make it unravel or anything like that. So we're gonna be good to go. And yeah, and also it's easier for them to even curl it back with a flexi rod if they want to. They're not, they would not be scared or be afraid of like the curls pulling out or unraveling. So that's why I do them like this. And I'm gonna braid, use my edge control to secure my client natural hair in between the braiding hair and the curls, and I'm gonna keep braiding it. At some point I will take out the curls, the other curls, and then just keep braiding. And then sometimes toward the ends I would insert another curls, but not for all of them. So you don't really have to for all of them. My client just wanted something really, really full. So for some of them, I did stuff like that for my clients. And yeah, so towards the end, when I feel like, I've braided a good amount of braids, I'm going to take out all the curls and just keep braiding, and that will be all I did for my clients. If you have any, let me know if you have any questions. But then, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, just let me know if you like this video. Thank you.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me yard, say she give me pour me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, see me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Feet Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty up our daughter. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original. Original bad man.
Just say no. Just say yeah.
Original bad man. Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No. Just say yeah.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they really your number one I control. So they really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No. Just say yeah.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
Feet Kills.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want in on the nigga. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me pillow wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them, I watch it. They are pretty about it.